Hello friends, welcome to Let Me Excel. Imagine that you have this kind of data where you have path and file name along with the extension, and if you want to get rid of all the paths and you want to retain only the file names, then you can use this trick. Here also in another example you have time span 1989 to 2013, 1995 to 2012. So you want to retain only the first part or the last part, and you want to get rid of other part, you can use this trick. In here I have listed few names or words, and where you want to get rid of either the first part or the second part, you can use this technique, and you can use this technique for cleaning the numbers also. In other words, you want to get rid of decimals, or if you want to get rid of the integer part, you can use this technique. So without spending too much of time, let us see this. The technique is find and replace, and to invoke find and replace dialog box, all you have to press is Ctrl plus H. Okay, so in find what, I don't have to type this entire path here. All I have to type is asterisk followed by what is the separator. You have to type that. In our case, in our first example, the separator is backslash. So I will type this backslash. Replace all, everything is gone, and it has made 64 replacements. Give OK, and you are done with the first part. In the second example, again Ctrl plus H, and now this asterisk remains same, but if you want to remove, okay, first of all let us copy what is this separator. Now press Ctrl H. Along with this asterisk we need to paste this one. Okay, so when I click replace all, anything left of this particular symbol that looks like hyphen, so anything left of long hyphen will be removed, and only this 2000, the later part, will be retained. Replace all. Yes, see, this is how you can do. And if you want to remove the later part, all you have to do is remove the position of this asterisk. So now it is at the beginning. If you want to remove the later part of the text, that is 2013, 2012, 2015, etc., along with that particular string also, that is hyphen, you have to type hyphen and asterisk and replace all. Now it is all gone. Yeah. Okay. In this one also, in the third example where I have listed names, let me select the data and press Ctrl H, and this time our separator is space, so we have to type space. So I typed space and the asterisk remains same. Replace all. So anything after space is gone along with the space. And in number, select the data and Ctrl H and asterisk. So first we need to decide what we want to get rid of, whether the decimal part or the integer part. So this time let us get rid of decimal part. So it should be decimal then asterisk. Yes, so we got rid of decimal part. Okay, let me copy this and paste it in another column. Here let us get rid of decimal part. Ctrl H. Yeah, we have already done it. Okay, but here let us get rid of integer part. Ctrl H. This time I have to change the position of asterisk. Okay, now anything before asterisk, sorry, anything before decimal and decimal itself will be removed. Yes. Okay. And if you don't want to remove the decimal, so you have to do, let me undo it, Ctrl H and replace by decimal. Sorry, find with should be asterisk and decimal, and replace with should be only decimal. In this case, now it will get rid of integer part, but it will retain the decimal like 0.678, 0.367, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.78 should be the result. Yes, 0.678. Yeah, This is really amazing trick. So you don't have to write any formula, you don't have to split the text with the help of split text functionality of Excel. So with this trick you can clean your data, or you can do wonders, I would say. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe or share with your friends also. Okay, thank you guys, have a great day ahead. Bye.